Are you a juice lover without a fancy juicer with just a blender and you're a pro in the game? If you're new to this channel, I am Hirat and you're welcome. Kindly watch this video to the end as I take you through. Kindly subscribe to my channel because it is absolutely free, okay? And make sure to like this video and turn on your notification. So I already have my watermelon here and ginger, and then I have sugar as my sweetener, and you can use any sweetener of choice. Lime juice, or you can use lemon juice as well. In a blender, I will go in with my watermelon, and here you can decide to remove the seeds or just leave it as I did. Okay, add my ginger, lime juice, sugar. I will then add water, which is totally optional.
Kitchen. Welcome to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. New video every week.
Blend it till it is fine, smooth, and nice. Okay.
Ring the bell and get notified when we upload. Uh, Both local and continental dishes. Iraq Kitchen go show you how to prepare.
So I am going to strain it using a sieve, and here you can use a cheesecloth if you wish. I'm going to strain it to extract all the juice, or here you can just blend it thoroughly and then just drink it like that, okay, without straining. Just see how the juice is yummy. Just try this recipe at home and you'll feel it. If you're still watching this video to this very end, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like this video, share this video, and make sure to turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I upload a new video. So after straining, this is the chaff I have left. So I will discard this and then I will continue. So have you seen the foam on the juice? I will just scrape it just like this. And if you want to, you can just ignore this part, okay? And leave it for some seconds and it will vanish. I am going to store this juice in an airtight bottles and then refrigerate it, or you can just use some ice cubes as you are going to see in my next clip, and then enjoy your juice to the fullest. I am on other social media platforms as Hirat's Kitchen, and you can follow me there for short videos, okay? Make sure to subscribe. Oh. I'm just reminding you. And turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any upload from me again. Thank you so much for watching this video to this very end. I am grateful. Okay. And you can just garnish your juice with some lime and then serve it to your guest. This juice was really what it was. It tasted so good and nice. See you in the next one. Bye bye.